All right, you're Billie Jean is marketing now.
Yeah.
Do you worry that you can't be anything else?
Um,
You know what I'm saying? Like, what's life after
yeah.
Billie Jean is marketing? Like, are you always like, how do you sell that brand? What's the
Um,
game plan? Because you're at the top of the game in the marketing education space.
Yeah, in that small world, right? I think it's more like making the sport bigger. So, for example, like when Tony Hawk, right? When Tony Hawk gets into skating, well, skating's dinky. Nobody gave a fuck about skating, but then skating blew up, and now he's the face of this dinky thing. But now it's this big thing, to the point where when they made a video game, they go to Tony Hawk because there wasn't a lot of players in the field. He was the guy. So all the opportunities came. Right now, you got two things happening. Entrepreneurship is now popular over the last decade, and I think it's going to continue to grow as athletes and musicians continue to cross over there. And when they do, what's like the first subcategory of entrepreneurship? Marketing, right? Like everyone calls it the word market. I mean, truth be told, I'm not even a fucking marketer. I'm an advertiser, right? Like,
what's the difference?
I think marketing. Yeah, let me explain. That's a good question. I think marketing is the big umbrella of everything that it takes to like get customers or build brand. So for example, people see somebody like do a crazy PR stunt, like Kanye, man, he's such a good marketer. No, specifically, he's great at PR. That's a great public relations stunt. He's great at manipulating media, or he's great at getting attention, or he's great at getting people to write about them, which is a form of marketing, right? So it's not wrong. It's just marketing is so fucking broad. Like imagine if someone said like he's good at fitness. Like, nope, people will be like, what does that mean? You can't even, like, what does that mean? Is he good? Is he running fast? Is he a bodybuilder? Is he good eating? What does that mean? So I think that's where marketing is at, is everyone's just tossing shit on it. So the leg that I go in is advertising. I'm the one who pays platforms to show shit to people. And then I make more than I spend. That's what I do.
Yeah.
I actually own the name Billie Jean as advertising because I was thinking about a brand switch.
Okay.
But it wasn't as big. And I don't care about selling it either.
Yeah, I was gonna say I think you're bigger than advertising too.
Yeah, I think
when I think of your potential,
yeah.
I think.
Well, look, Gordon Ramsay is bigger than food now, but you still know him as the food guy. Elon is bigger than Tesla. He's still Tesla, but he used to be the PayPal guy. So I think whatever venture I'm on will be the focus, and I think I'll take over Billie Jean. But from an SEO standpoint, Michael Jackson really fucked me with that. Seriously, like it really owns the SEO of it. So